Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video we see how to save an email as PDF in Excel using VBA macros. And you can find this and many other examples in Excel macros for Outlook. So let's go to the Visual Basic Editor, insert a module and call it Save Mail as PDF. We've seen already several macros to send emails, and some people is asking, is this working in New Outlook? No, it's not. New Outlook does not support VBA, and of course it's not working in Web Outlook. So this is working on Classic Outlook only. Now, as with any other Excel Outlook macros, we need to declare the Outlook application. And we're gonna save this email here as a PDF. We could save as many, there's only one email in this folder, important, and we could save as many emails as we want. This could be useful, for example, if you have approvals that you want to save as PDF to save it in a repository or something, or any other important document. So as an example, we're gonna use this, and now we're gonna get this email and put it in a variable. I'm gonna declare this as a mail item because we are assuming this is an email, but we can have other types of items in a folder. Now, one way to get this is to go with Out App and get the Active Explorer, that window that we just saw in Outlook, and the current folder, which was this important folder, items. There was only one item actually, but anyway, we're gonna get the last item over there. So this is one way to, another way would be to have a folder variable, out folder as folder, out folder equals out app session, get default folder, which was the inbox, folders was important. And then we could have our mail, assuming again is a mail item, as the out folder, get items, get last item, or get first item, or get any item we want here with a number. So these are the two ways to do it. We may use the folder if we want to loop through items in the folder, but for now I'm gonna let's just use this one. We're not gonna use the folder. And there's actually a print out method of the mail item, which should give you a chance to print it out, and depending on your settings, to print it out as a PDF, but it doesn't really work well. It doesn't work. You may give it a try, depends on the version of Outlook, depends on what PDF software you have installed on your system. So we're gonna see another way to do it. And if you want to save this as a PDF manually, you need to open this in the inspector, and then you go to File and Save As. And here you can save it as an MSG file, as an Outlook message file, or you can print it here. And if you have a Adobe or any other PDF writer, you could basically print it as a PDF. So this is the template. This is how it looks like. We're gonna get something like this with this method. To do that, we're gonna add the contents here in the worksheet and export it as a PDF. So let me remove this. So here with sheet 1 or active sheet, or you can add a new sheet as well with sheets.add, and that will become the active sheet. Then you have to refer the active sheet. But here we're gonna format the sheet. So we format cell A1 and we add the current account for the session in Outlook. In cell A2, we're gonna have the sender name, and together with the, let me put it in another line, the sender email address. In A3, we will have the creation time. A4, the recipient. A5 the subject, and A6 the body of the email. Now let's see how that looks for now. So for that email that we selected, this looks like this here. You may need to play a little with the width depending on your system and your screen resolution and stuff, but that should more or less give you the template. And now we just need to define a directory. I'm gonna save it under my documents. And for the name of the file, I'm gonna use the sender name and the subject, for example. And it needs to be saved as a PDF. And you could use also the creation time, for example, which is it's going to be a unique identifier, or rather a unique identifier. But yeah, so this would be the directory, and this would be the name. And now we're going to have sheet1 dot export as fixed format of the type PDF and the save directory concatenated with the save name. And I just realized we have here body. We, we don't want to have that, so let me remove this. And remember, this is the active sheet. If you add a sheet, you will have to change this with active sheet. So now we have removed the body and we have exported the file as a PDF with in this directory with the save name. If I go to this directory and I open, this is the file with the sender's email name and the sender's email address and the subject saved as a PDF. If I open this with, for example, with Chrome, we get here the email saved as a PDF file. So that's how we save an email as a PDF file in Excel using VBA macros. Thanks for watching.